Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to do 2023-year Volvo XC60 active by KD-X4. Before performing the function, we need to obtain the password of this vehicle first. You can query the password through a third party or obtain it by reading the CEM module. Today I will introduce to you the way to obtain the password by reading the CEM module. Now the module has been disassembled, and find the corresponding wiring diagram, connect the wires properly, and then read the date. In more programming, KD-X4. Okay. Choose this chip. This is the type of the chip. This one chip. Okay. Okay. Checking the diagram. Okay, the cable is connected. Return. Read. Anything is connected. Okay. Start. Reading. Okay, successfully. Save. Okay, now reinstall the CEM onto the vehicle. And first, we need to generate TV key. Remote function, smart key remote. Volvo. Okay, XC60. Generate. Put the key to the coil. Okay, successfully. And then select the corresponding menu to match the key. In more programming, Volvo. Okay. Select by vehicle. XC60. Start. Read the number of keys. Key number is 1. Okay. Smart key inquiries. Yes. Load the CEM module date. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. Close all doors. Turn the stop knob to the right once and release it. Okay. Put the smart key. New smart key to the arrow. Induction arrow. And put other keys out of the car. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, matching successful. We no need to match another one. So click no to return. Current number of keys is 2. Okay. Okay. Then we check this key if it is work. Okay. Start the car. Okay. No problem.